Welcome to the VitaLife Show. I'm Dr. Janine Bowering, and today I'm talking about natural treatments for sleep apnea. Now, sleep apnea can be caused, and what it is an obstructed breathing airways during sleep, and often the person who has sleep apnea will wake up gasping. Their body may jerk because they don't have enough oxygen. And I can attest to this because someone dear to me has sleep apnea. So this can be very annoying for loved ones that are sleeping with this person because you think that they are literally dying because they start to not breathe, and then they breathe and they gasp for air. So if this is someone that you know that has the sleep apnea, you probably won't know if it's you yourself if you don't have someone who's sleeping close to you. This is something that needs to be treated because sleep apnea and not breathing effectively during sleep means that your organs are not getting that oxygen that they need. So this is something that's really important to know, that you can treat it naturally. One of the causes can be overweight. So if you're not exercising enough, if you're holding on to a little bit excess body weight, this is something that really, is in your hands to be able to do that exercise and get that extra weight off. Another one is alcohol and other sedatives. If you overindulge, then that sleep apnea and snoring as well will be worse on those nights, as well as acid reflux. So if you suffer from acid reflux, this can be one of the causative factors for developing that sleep apnea. So one of my favorite treatments is to avoid sleeping on your back. So I know this sounds, easier said than done, of course, but if you need to put the tennis ball under your back, or you need someone to, kick you to get you to roll over onto your side, and make sure you have a comfortable pillow that's supporting your neck if you're going to start to sleep on your side, which really does help that sleep apnea. Get that exercise in. I can't stress that enough. I love exercise. Exercise is super important for every aspect of your life, so make sure you get in that exercise and maintain that healthy body weight. One of the things you can use is eucalyptus oil. So the essential oil of eucalyptus, just a few drops. You can rub it, here right under your nose so that you're inhaling it. A few drops on your chest is a fantastic way to keep your airways open during sleep. It has that ability to open up those airways, which is phenomenal. Also make sure that your air in your room where you're sleeping is humid enough. So you may want to get a cool mist humidifier to increase that nice humidity in the air, because in some parts of the world, of course, with forced air heating, it becomes very dry. So that's one of my tips as well. Always call our VitaTree experts at 1-844-GET-WELL. That's a toll-free number here in North America. You can also go to our website at the Ask Dr. Bowering section, and there you can ask questions about, your health, and maybe about the dosing, or you have, different ailments that you're suffering through and you want some professional advice from our VitaTree experts. Take advantage of that service, on our website. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave your questions and comments below. Give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel so you always get our newest and latest uploads here on the VitaLife Show. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, on Pinterest, and on Instagram as well. We're everywhere, and we always have contests going on, so be sure to leave your email address on our website as well, so you always get our newest and latest information and deals and coupons and things on our products. And thanks for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video.